It's not a fun job, but it's pretty easy. Let's show you how to clean some gutters. Howdy partner, my name is Mr. Greg, and on this channel, we do empowering DIY, one project at a time. For today's project, we are gonna take these filthy, dirty, filled gutters, and we're gonna walk you through the easiest way to clean them out all on your own. It's not a hard project, there's not a lot of steps, it just takes a little bit of labor. If you haven't done this before, hopefully this is helpful. Maybe you're a first-time homeowner, or maybe you just never encountered your gutters being so full. But we're gonna go ahead and clean them out so that they'll drain properly, and it will be less weight on the house, and it'll be a good thing. So stay tuned, let me show you what kind of gear you need, and then let's get into the cleaning. Okay, in terms of equipment, you can grab yourself a few helpers. No, I'm just kidding, it's nice if you have helpers, but you really don't need any special equipment to clean these gutters. You need a ladder that can reach that high, and it can be either a leaning or an A-frame. If you're not comfortable on a ladder, or if it's really high, I do not encourage you to do it. Make sure it's something you're confident with and you're taking the safety precautions, because I don't want anybody to get hurt. So you need a ladder, and then you're gonna need some sort of pair of gloves just to grab all those leaves out. I mean, it's safer to do it that way in case you get poked. I like these rubberized gloves. They're almost disposable. I'll link a pair in the description, but they're nice because you're gonna get really muddy and wet depending on how often it's rained. So you don't wanna screw up a really nice pair of gloves, but these are good and they'll keep your hands from getting the thorns and stuff. Then I like to use a bucket, and on a little giant, I can actually hang the bucket up here and kind of fill the leaves into there as we go. But if not, you can drop them straight on the ground and clean up later. It's just a matter of saving a little bit of effort. And at the end, after you've done all that, oh, my helpers are giving me the bucket back. All right, I got it, thank you. Then you're gonna need a hose. And I'll show you how the hose, you just go ahead and spray them, clean them out, make them good as new again. So let's go ahead and let's get started cleaning. So in terms of actually cleaning, we're just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna grab the debris out of the gutter, and we're gonna drop it into that bucket we put up earlier. You can also drop it onto the ground, but you just wanna see, you're just gonna dig on in, and you can kind of push it all out of the way if you want, and you're just gonna keep on cleaning until you get down to where there's not a whole lot left. So we're gonna keep cleaning, we're gonna keep dumping it into our bucket, and we'll show you how it looks in just a few minutes as we work our way across the back gutter. Stay safe and be proud of yourself because you're doing a great job in this project. So those gutters have gotten all cleaned out now, all the leaves and debris are gone, and we're gonna finish it off by hosing them off both on the inside and the outside. The inside is to clear out any remaining dirt, and the outside is to make them look pretty. So let's show you how that looks with a nice hose. All right, we are all done. And if you see, all of this pile of leaves and debris here is from about 35 feet of gutter. So that was some serious weight that was sitting on the house. Glad to get that off. Hope you learned a thing or two. It's a pretty easy job. It is a little messy. Got some dirt on my merch here, but you can go ahead and check it out. Check out the Mr. Greg's How To merch store to get some awesome outdoor gear that you can wear as well. Appreciate you watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to learn some more at-home how-to tips and tricks. And remember, with all these videos, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching. Okay, partners, so we just finished those gutters about an hour ago, and we got torrential downpour going. Good timing, so let's see how the flow is going. As you look behind me, the water's all going in, it's not pouring over the top. Oh, one of the children is watching. And let's go on over here too. It's a little added bonus feature from Mother Nature. So we see the water is staying in this gutter. It is not coming out of the top at all. It is staying there. And then if I go over here to where the bottom of the gutter is, that it is just pouring out. Really a good ending to this nice gutter project. If I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.